and you are my King. I need your deliverance once again, Lord. You are my refuge, my strength in the storm. Without you, Jesus, I can't go on. Every day, I need you more. I need you more. Every hour, yeah. Every hour. Oh, I need you, Lord. I need your touch once again. I need your touch. I need your touch once again. Lord, I need your touch once again. I need your touch. Once again. Dibate Jesus. I need your touch. Dibate Jesus. Moya mutfene. I need your touch. Dibate Jesus. Tinokudaishe wangu. Tinokudaishe wangu. Tinokudai Jesu. Tinokudaishe wangu. Tinokudaishe wangu. Tinokudaishe wangu. Tinokudai Jesu. Tinokudai Jesu. In the midnight hour, when I call your name, you are always faithful. You remain the same. When I'm on my knees, crying out to you, Lord, I feel your presence breaking through every day. I need you more. I need you more. Every hour. I need you, Lord. I need your touch. I need your touch once again. I need your touch. I need your touch once again, Lord. I need your touch. I need your touch once again. Touch me, anoint me, Jesus. Fill me, Holy Spirit. Mold me, break me, Jesus. Use me for your glory. Every day I need your touch. In the morning I need your touch. In the morning I need your touch. In the evening I need your touch. In the midnight hour I need your touch. Every day I need your touch. In the morning I need your touch. In the morning I need your touch. In the evening I need your touch. In the midnight hour I need your touch. Every day I need your touch. In the morning I need your touch. In the evening I need your touch. In the midnight hour I need your touch. Oh Lord, if there was a time I need you, it's right now. Touch every family. Touch every broken heart. Touch every situation.